This video is about how to change the headlight globe in a Piaggio 2008, I think, Zip 100 scooter. Now, it's pretty simple, but it's important to note that it's different from there are several other models where to get at the headlight bulb, you actually have to take this red piece, this whole piece here, you have to take that off and it comes forward. Now this model is different, and what we have to do here is take this grey part here, we have to take that off. Okay, now make sure you can see what I'm doing. So there are 3 screws that I've got to take out, one here, and one here. And they're Philips head screws. Generally fairly easy to... There's one. Now the middle screw is quite a bit shorter. It's not coming out easily. Okay, now I'm going to presume that that's undone. Now the next thing to do is to undo a clip here. It's this bit there. You see that clip there? That clip there? So all I did to get that to release was I pushed that down with the screwdriver. So just do it again here. Get that down with the screwdriver. Now, okay, now camera down a bit here, I think. Now the bulb fitting is just plastic, and you turn it slightly anti-clockwise, and there it is. You've got access to the headlight bulb. Now note that the pins are of different width, so when you're replacing, I don't need to replace this bulb because it's fine, but the wide pin on the bulb goes there, the narrow pin goes there, so you can't go wrong. You can't put it in upside down. Now you can buy them in LED or like this one, tungsten filament. The LED ones should last longer. Now all you do then is just the reverse of the previous procedure. Okay, now so we've got the new bulb, and we've put it back where it came from, and then it just goes a small click like that. Turn it in a clockwise direction, and there it is, it's locked. So you don't have to disconnect these wires. You don't have to disconnect any of these wires. Just as you put it back, just note that the position is determined by 2 little lugs here, 3 screws. There's 1 screw there, 1 screw there, and 1 screw there. And then there's the 2 holding pins that I showed you going here and here. There they are there. Alright, so it's just a simple matter of nudging it back into the correct position. Oops. Alright, so once it's gone back, just feel along the edges to make sure it's reasonably flush. Flush here, flush here. All you have to do now is put these back, remembering that the the little one goes in the middle, and that's it. You've changed the bulb.